channel. This is Monski, ang baklang PG. Hindi pa tayo gutom, kundi pretty gorgeous lang po. So, we're on our way to Big Pine! So, she's the one, it's her fault. She dragged me into this.
What do you mean it's fun?
No, actually, because she was like, oh, you're the only one in the group that is adventurous.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Long time
all of
ago.
our friends, they don't want to do it. They just want to drink.
Yeah.
I'm tired of that stuff.
So look, I guess, just excited. And actually, it's my first time camping too. This is like the what?
Hopefully you like it, so you're gonna do it every year.
Oh my god, you know I'm down when it comes to nature. Look, you guys, we made it to downtown. Whoop whoop! Clap clap, we made it!
We're in Long Pine right now.
We're still in Long Pine. This is like their downtown. It's like Big Bear, huh?
This is so pretty.
Mount Whitney. Oh my gosh.
There's burgers in town. Can we stop by there on the way home?
Yeah, we can. Copyright. We're here. Can you open the window? There's people talking. It's cold. What is it? 57.
Oh my god, campground full.
Oh shit. You just want to go and check it. You guys, there's a lot of people that are like here. There's like bathroom everywhere. Right here. Watch, look at there. Reserve. So we made it, you guys, and we already like call this. We're just gonna go to the camp manager and ask questions.
The camp manager scared like a Christmas light.
Yeah.
Christmas light. It's sleeping there. I don't want to bother him.
We'll have to ask questions first.
Well, if there's no reservation, I think it's okay.
We're gonna sit our tent for 2 weeks. So this is my first time, so I don't know how you do this. Why? I'm not even cold. We're inside now.
Finally.
She's drinking her medicine. She said it doesn't matter if you're in the wilderness, you have to drink protection.
Of course. It's 10, so we're gonna have a good night rest.
We're gonna sleep because we'll have to hike early tomorrow.
Okay, you get up at 5, we'll make breakfast like around 5:30 so we can leave at 6 so we can get up
It's a morning. It's a wonderful morning, you guys. This bitch is all covered up. Stop me. So, go to the bathroom. Huh?
It's part of it when I bought it.
So we're just gonna have a breakfast, then we're gonna go head out for our hike. And yeah.
Bantay ko ba?
Ano?
Yeah.
So you guys, this is my first camping experience, and I was having a hard time sleeping. Well, I was sleeping, but I keep waking up like every hour, so I thought I was the only one. Marido too. So for breakfast, Marido's gonna make eggs, spam, and I don't know. I think just egg, but that's what we're gonna have, and rice. Of course, because she said that we're Asian. I was like, what's your point?
So we have rice because, like I said, we're Asian.
Asian frustration. So we're gonna eat, guys, and then it's time to. This is only one. Hey guys.
Wait, hold on. Cleaning my nose.
So we're heading out to hike now.
$1 grand on this face.
$1 grand?
Yeah, it was too expensive.
Wow.
But the derma helped though.
True. If you wanna look pretty cute or whatever, then you're gonna have to spend like. This is the view in the morning. So pretty. Look at that. We're going up in that mountain right there. Behind it. Was it? Is it behind it?
I have no idea.
It's behind it, I think. Anak kayo na. Dali mang good awa. We're going over there. We'll start now. So going up is already like.
He said it's only about 2 miles, and then after it's pretty much plain.
Oh yeah, I heard.
2 miles again.
I know. You guys, we made it to the second lake.
That's it.
And that's it. That's all we're gonna do for this year. Whew, I made it. I haven't hiked in a long time, but I think I'm still good.
Oh.
10 out of 10. You know, the hike is actually not that bad. To be honest, it's not bad. The trail that is more than difficult than this one, but this one is pretty okay, you know. It's hard for her, for Meridol, because it's her first time like hiking in like long distance, right? It was rated as hard hike. The first few miles,
First 3 miles.
the first 3 miles, it was like incline, so yeah. But then as soon as you pass that, you're good. You guys come here and hike, just enjoy the view, and you know, take your time. Start early, you know. Make sure you bring water. Don't forget your water. Like someone asked, I need to ask someone for water. This, you guys, to hike. Just hike this place. It's really nice. And you guys can swim if you guys want to swim. So, yeah. So that's it for my vlog. Yeah, I'm not gonna vlog on the way home.